Hey guys, wanted to give a couple examples from tonight's homework from investigation 3.4. First, we want to look at number 5. This one actually requires 2 steps using the knowledge that we talked about in class today in order to find that missing angle right there. So the first thing that I think we could do is if we identify this angle right here, that would be 100 degrees because it is an alternating interior angle with the 100 degrees here. And then we've got the second step. This is a straight line here, and all straight lines add up to 180 degrees. So if here to here is 100, we just do 180 minus 100, and we find out that our missing angle is 80 degrees. Okay, so just kind of a 2-step process. The rest of the problems on the front will either use alternating interior, alternating exterior, or corresponding angles to be able to figure those out. So good little practice page for you. And then on the back side, just wanted to pick a couple here to do. And remember, we talked about this in class. There's a whole bunch of different ways to do these. So the way that I'm going to show you is just one way. There's a bunch of other ways to go about figuring these out. So I did ask you guys to number your papers, 1 through I think 19 on the bottom. So if you don't have to start with angle 1, I'm going to start with angle 1. So right here we see that angle 1 is on a straight line with this 105 degree angle. So because it's on a straight line, I start with my 180. I take away the 105 degrees, and I end up with 75 degrees for number 1. Okay, and again, this is all the work that you need to show for that. If we want to do angle 2, angle 2 is even quicker than the first one. It's vertical with this 105. Which means because it's a vertical angle, it's the same. And then for my justification, I'm just going to put vertical angle with 105 degrees. Okay. Just a couple ways to do that. Like I said, don't forget I did highlight this triangle for you too. You're going to need that in order to figure out angle 10, 8, and eventually 9 as well. So just a couple of tips there for the homework tonight. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please make sure that you stop in the morning.